between 7 big mountains was a beautiful city named Bergen. Full of beautiful flowers, dancing foxes, and had a delightful coastline. The people in Bergen are amongst the happiest in the whole kingdom, and they are ruled by a kind and caring king. As the city grew bigger and bigger, the people of Bergen became more and more unsatisfied. Why, you ask? Well, when summer would come to this northern kingdom, and all the trees and grass would turn green, and the sun became bright and warm, the poor people of Bergen had nowhere to swim or bathe.
You stuck, Mayor.
For you see, the city smelled really, really bad. And that stench came from the fjords. The smell was so bad, in fact, that the king moved away to an ugly city in the east called Oslo. The stench was caused by a foul monster lurking beneath the water's surface, whom no one dared to speak of. Was the terror-causing bacteria, or TCB! This TCB would become most dangerous in the summer, when thanks to the warm waters, it would become stronger and greater, and of course smellier. It was an unusual kind of threat, smaller than the eye could see. But the people of Bergen knew that the monster was present in the sea, because after swimming in those beautiful fjords, they would have to sit on their toilets, feeling very ill and sorry for themselves. Anyway, as you can imagine, the people of Bergen were sick of the smell and being unable to have anywhere to swim safely. They therefore lamented their fate to the city councillors and mayor. Unsure of what to do, the council decided to call upon a young consortium of marine scientists, or the SAS, serious about science. They were really smart and had learned all their knowledge from the great mentor, Perrin Kittman. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the SAS. They really help the city be rid of its problem and ensure safe swimming waters for the people of Bergen?
Yes, we can!
Great. First, they needed to identify how did TCB survive and what it ate. They found that in warm waters that contained human and animal waste, the TCB was especially strong. Therefore, they knew that wherever they would find human waste, the terrible TCB would be lurking. Importantly, TCB was also known to collaborate with phosphate, or smelly P, his partner in crime, who caused the swimming areas of Bergen to be filled with green, smelly, slimy seaweed. Not the good kind. The scientists also knew that a third party was involved, the so-called Incredible Four. pH, temperature, conductivity, and of course, salinity. Together with TCB and Smelly P, they had created an alliance to make the people of Bergen miserable. But who out of the evil Doom group was contributing the most to this misery was uncertain. So, along with the city council, the SAS agreed to displace the pipes bringing the city's smelly waste further away into the fjords, so that the TCB and P would also move away and allow the people of Bergen to once again go swimming in the beautiful city harbor. Worried that the terrible duo might return during those hot summer days, the SAS formed a partnership with the city council in order to check and monitor every day in case they should return. Oh, no. They patrolled the public bathing areas along Nordnes Peninsula, checking the swimming water in their hazmat suits, taking water samples and bringing them to Bergen Banlag for monitoring. But most importantly, they developed the TCB spray. An easy and effective solution compared to monitoring. Yes, it is. Smart and brave SAS, Bergen is once again a happy and smell-free city where the waters remain safe to swim.
Hooray!
Yes! This, of course, never happened. What was once found to be lurking beneath the waters was not to be found this time.
The SIS, serious about science, could detect only low levels of TCB.
And luckily, the levels of the ultra triggers were satisfactory.
Great news! The water was good of quality and safe to swim.
The SAS,
Serious about science,
recommended that Bergen Kommune continue to monitor the water quality.
to ensure safe swimming water for the people of Bergen in the future, because you never know when the TCB will strike again.
Be prepared! And Jeanette as well, our Keno Ferter.